Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. So today we have Hyundai Verna SX Plus with us. In this video, I will show you the look and feature of the cars as well as the basic details and the best price offer of the car. Let's begin with the walk around. Let's talk about front side. So in front side, we get DRL with projector, headlamp, headlight setup. Hyundai logo with chrome grille. Fog lamps are also there, and the ground clearance of the Hyundai Verna is 165 mm. Let's go to side look. Side look of the car you can see on the screen. So in side look, we get 16 inches of alloy wheels with disc brake at front and drum brake at rear. Auto badging is given, DRLs given on the auto foldable ORVMs, and the diesel tank with 45 liters of capacity. Let's come to rear side. You can see a rear side of the car on the screen. At the top of the rear side, we get sharp antenna, defoggers and high mount stop light on the rear windscreen. LED tail lamps given on the rear side, Verna badging, Hyundai logo, 1.6D and SX badging. We get 4 parking sensors, 4 rear parking sensors and 2 reflectors. Overall, the condition of the car is well and good, as you see on the screen. Let's open the boot. In Hyundai Verna, we get boot with capacity of 450 liters. Here we get spare tire and tools. Spare tire is given with steel rim and 15 inches. Let's go to front side to see the condition of engine. Hyundai Verna has 1.6 diesel automatic engine which has 1497 cc power, which puts out 113 bhp at 6300 rpm. Isolation is also given and the condition of the engine is well and good. Let's go to interior. Let's see the interior of the car. Analog setup is given in the meter with 220 km high speed speedometer and 6000 rpm meter. In center MID is given which gives information of speed, average, total kilometers and temperature. On the right side of steering wheel, cruise control is given, Hyundai logo in center, and infotainment system controls given on the left side of a steering wheel. 3-spoke steering wheel is given with only tilt adjustment. Normal sunroof is also given. Two cabin lights in yellow color, sunglass holder, automatic IRVM, 8-inch infotainment system and 2 AC vents. Rear camera is also given. Controls of the infotainment system, automatic AC and heaters control is given. 12-volt output socket, USB input, AUX input. Sockets also given. Automatic transmission, handbrake, two bottle cup holders, front side armrest, rear AC vents with USB socket, sunroof look from rear seats, auto foldable ORVMs control, power windows control with a one touch up and down setting given on the driver's side of the door. Let's go to rear seats. At rear seats we get a rear armrest with two bottle cup holders and two rear AC vents with USB input. And the last, I am giving you the details of the car. So let's go. The car is 2018 March Hyundai Verna automatic. Total kilometers running of the car is 79,590 only. First owner car and insurance is expired. Finance available on this car. And the best price offer of the car is only and only 10,40,000 rupees. Price is negotiable. Okay friends, let's end the video. I hope you will like the video, and if you are interested in the car, please contact us on the number given on the screen. Thank you.